To fix Roblox crash. Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to fix Roblox crash on your phone. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your device. Then go directly and open apps, and here on apps you have to search for Roblox. And when you found Roblox, just open it like this. Then what you should do, you have to go to storage and click on clear data, then click OK and go back and click on force stop. Here I use it before, that's why I can't open it. Then I will go to notification, I will turn off it and turn on it again, and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.